Before buying Pantheon, there are 12 things you need to know, especially if you're comparing it to other web hosting services. Whether you're a business owner, developer, or blogger, understanding these factors can help you decide if Pantheon is the right choice for your website. First off, Pantheon stands out for its focus on performance. While many competitors offer basic hosting services, Pantheon has a reputation for speed, especially when it comes to WordPress and Drupal sites. You'll notice faster load times and better scalability, which is crucial if you expect your website to grow. Next thing, Pantheon excels in developer-friendly tools. If you're a developer, you'll appreciate the streamlined workflow that Pantheon offers, with features like automated workflows, Git integration, and advanced deployment options. This can save you time compared to competitors who offer more basic or clunky development tools. The third thing, Pantheon's infrastructure is built for performance at scale. Unlike many shared hosting services, Pantheon offers a cloud-based solution that can handle traffic spikes without slowing down your site. It's designed for high-performance environments, which puts it ahead of other web hosting platforms that rely on traditional server setups. The fourth thing to note is their managed services. Pantheon provides managed hosting, which means they take care of server management, updates, and security patches. This is a great option if you don't want to deal with the technical side of things. However, if you're looking for a more hands-on approach, you might prefer competitors that offer more customizable options. The fifth thing to consider is Pantheon's pricing model. While their pricing may seem on the higher end compared to budget hosting providers, you're paying for premium performance and features. It's an investment in reliability and scalability. If you're just starting out and need something more affordable, you might want to look elsewhere. The sixth thing, Pantheon offers excellent customer support. Their support team is known for being responsive and knowledgeable, which is a huge plus when comparing it to other hosting services that may leave you waiting for days. However, some competitors offer 24/7 live chat, which Pantheon currently lacks, so it's worth considering if round-the-clock support is a priority for you. The seventh thing to mention is security. Pantheon takes security seriously with regular backups, SSL certificates, and proactive monitoring. This can give you peace of mind, knowing that your site is protected against threats. However, some competitors may offer more advanced security features, so it's worth comparing these in detail before making a decision. The eighth thing, Pantheon integrates well with popular tools like New Relic, Sentry, and other performance monitoring services. If you're looking to integrate analytics and performance tracking, Pantheon's integrations make this process easier compared to some hosting options that don't offer as many built-in tools. The ninth thing, Pantheon's platform is optimized for WordPress and Drupal. If you're using these content management systems, Pantheon provides an optimized experience that other hosting platforms may not offer. If you're working with other CMSs, you might find more flexible solutions with different providers. The 10th thing is the staging environment. Pantheon offers a robust staging environment that allows you to test changes before pushing them live, which reduces the risk of downtime or errors. Many other hosting services don't offer this feature out of the box, making Pantheon a better option for developers and businesses that need smooth deployment processes. The 11th thing is that Pantheon focuses on scalability. Whether you're running a small blog or an enterprise-level site, Pantheon can scale with your needs. While some competitors have limits on how much you can grow, Pantheon's platform is built to expand seamlessly, ensuring your website can handle future demands. The 12th and final thing to know is that Pantheon's solution is best for those who need a fully managed, performance-driven hosting environment. If you're looking for more control and a lower price point, you may want to explore other options like shared hosting or virtual private servers. So, is Pantheon a good choice? It definitely has its advantages, especially for developers and businesses that need reliable performance and managed services. But if you're looking for a more flexible, budget-friendly solution, you might want to check out our recommended hosting service, which you can try for free.